In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter polls with Beehiiv. We're going to walk through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a poll you can embed in your newsletters and use to collect feedback from your audience. First, head over to your Beehiiv dashboard and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you normally see your stats and recent posts. This is your home base. But for polls, we're going to move into a different section of the platform. Look over to the main navigation and click on the tab labeled Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps everything related to your subscribers and how they interact with your content. Polls live here because they're a great way to understand what your audience wants and how they feel about your newsletter. Inside the Audience section, find and click on Polls. This will take you to the dedicated polls area. If you haven't created any polls yet, you'll see an empty state with an option to get started. Go ahead and click on Create Your First Poll. If you already have polls, you'll still see a button to create a new one. You'll now be taken to the poll creation page. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of the poll. This is just for your own reference, so choose something that helps you recognize it later, like March Feedback Poll or Product Interest Survey. Next, you'll see a space to add a description for the poll. This is usually an internal description to remind you what the poll is about or how you plan to use it. It's helpful if you'll be running multiple polls over time, so take a moment to write something clear and specific. Below that, you'll set up what your subscribers will actually see. Type your main question into the headline field. This is the core of your poll, so make it concise and easy to understand. There's also an optional description field here where you can add a short explanation or context for your readers if needed. Now, move down to the answer options. Next to the first bullet, type in your first answer choice. Then, next to the second bullet, type in your second answer choice. If you need more options, you can add additional answers so that your subscribers have all the relevant choices. Once you're happy with your question and all of your answer options, scroll down and click on Save. Beehiiv will save your poll, and it'll now be available for you to insert into your upcoming newsletters and start gathering responses from your audience.